What's up, guys? My name is Brody and I work at the Indie E-Cigs on West 96th Street. And today we're going to review the Twister Stick. So in the box for the Freemax Twister Kit, you'll find the battery and the tank. We're going to take a look at the battery first. The battery itself is 2300 mAh and will go from 5 watts to 80 watts. We managed to get about 6 to 6.5 hours, vaping around 70 watts. The Fire Loop 2 is the tank that comes with this kit. It's the upgraded version of the original Fire Loop. It comes with a new coil, the TX1, a bubble glass, and the tank itself, which has the new TX2 dual mesh coil installed. The tank itself goes from 40 watts to 90 watts. To raise the wattage on the device, you'll be twisting it on the ring on the bottom, hence the name Twister Stick. Like I said, it goes from 5 watts up to 80 watts, and then you charge through the back through micro USB. It also includes an extra bubble glass and a new TX1 single mesh coil. You fill the tank very similarly to the Mesh Pro. Just find the red dot and slide it over. Well, that's the review of the Twister Kit. Overall, we all here love the device. All three of us have added it to our everyday carry. Anyways, thanks for tuning into the Fog Vlog. Keep on vaping, guys.